guys, welcome to my channel. So I'm about to show you how I got this warm golden ash blonde right here. So I use Revlon dyes. This right here is 60, and then it's about a, yeah, right here is 60, and then right there in the back is 71. I mix both these dyes together to get, like I said, that warm ash blonde look. If anything, a reference picture is about to pop up real soon. Right here. Here's a reference picture. This is what my sister wanted for her birthday. This is my sister's birthday wig. As you can see, I'm mixing both hair dyes. Like I said, I mixed one box of 60 and one box of 71, both in the Revlon brand. So just mixing it thoroughly, and then now I'm just going to be applying it throughout the hair. I didn't dye this hair uniformly, so as you can see, like I went from the bottom to the roots, and then going in between the hair, and then after this you're gonna see me parting through the hair. So yeah, like this hair dye, it's like a dark blonde. So if anything, like you just have to make sure that you get this on every strand of hair, because as you can see the difference between the hair that's not dyed and the hair that is dyed, it's a big difference. It's a big dark difference. So yeah, whatever you do, just make sure you get the dye on every single strand of hair, and you're gonna see me doing that throughout this video. Okay, so right now I'm just going through the hair and just getting any parts that I missed. So that is pretty much gone at this point. You can see I'm practically scraping this bowl. But yeah, just combing the hair through, just making sure the product reaches every strand of hair. Alright, and I let this sit on the hair for about 30 minutes. This was the result after I washed it out and it air dried for some time. And you're about to see the ending results at my sister's birthday dinner.
Slayed by Kimby Wigs.